You have said that sales is one of the most important skills to learn in business. What companies and or roles would be great for someone wanting to master this skill? I would say the ability to bond with somebody and talk about something you have in common. And so for me, what I do is whenever I meet somebody for the first time, I ask them about themselves a lot, where they're from, that sort of thing, and I try to find something we have in common with them. Maybe we like the same sports team. Sports is great for boardroom talk. And so if I meet somebody from a certain city in America, I'll always mention the sports teams from that city, and we'll talk sports, which again is great boardroom talk. If it's overseas, obviously you talk about sports that are relevant globally. That's what I would do when it comes to sales, is always try to bond first, bond before business, because relationships are more important than product knowledge. Yeah. Now, in terms of what companies to work at to learn a lot about sales, probably the best company to work at is Oracle, ticker ORCL, which is a database company based here in Redwood City, California. They're moving soon to Texas for tax reasons. God bless them. I agree. Let's keep our governor in check and keep taxes low. But Oracle is where it's a tough place to work, to be intellectually honest. There's a lot of type A personalities that work there, but it's probably the most important sales-oriented culture on the planet. So I would work there. And what came out of Oracle actually were some of the best companies on the planet, like Mark Benioff. So he was the youngest vice president in Oracle history, and he started Salesforce.com, ticker CRM, which is the biggest employer now here in the Bay Area. One data point doesn't make a trend. There's plenty of other people that came out of Oracle that have started companies as well, like Tom Siebel. There's also David Duffield, who started Workday, as well as PeopleSoft, which Oracle bought as well. Yeah.